Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious, quick and easy ground beef and vegetable stir fry in our cast iron skillet. So let's get started. Yeah, for our vegetables here we got sugar snap peas, broccoli, green beans, yellow squash, red peppers, carrots, yellow peppers, and water chestnuts. Boy, that sounds good, doesn't it? Okay, let's put them aside. We'll get our ground meat out of there. Now we're going to set our burner to medium, and we're going to put a little oil in the pan, and we're going to let that heat up. Okay, our pan's starting to get pretty hot here, so we're going to go ahead and add our ground meat. Now that's about a pound right there. Okay, now let's stir that around a little. Break it up a little more. Okay, we're going to cover that and let that cook just a little bit there. Okay, let's uncover that and give it a check. Looks pretty good. All right, that looks good. Okay, now this burger was frozen, but it was thawing out as I went here. So I want to make sure we thawed it a little bit here before we set the burner too high. But right now we're on about medium high here for now. Trying to evaporate any of that liquid. Okay, we'll just go ahead and cover that and let that cook just a little bit longer. I think we're about done there. Okay, let's uncover that. You know what? I'm going to put on my silicone handle here so we don't get burned. There you go. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, they're good. Looks good. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to add all our vegetables. Put them right in there. Just like that. And we're going to stir them in. Boy, those vegetables look good. Now we're going to add a little salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of onion powder, and we're going to stir that in. Okay, now we're going to cover that just for maybe 2-3 minutes and let those beans and everything soften up a little. Okay, let's give it a check. Yeah, everything looks good. Okay, let's go ahead and add some of our already cooked noodles. Put some of them in there. Okay, now we're going to lower the heat. Okay, to about medium low. Okay, we could use a little more noodles. Alright, that looks like enough. Okay. Okay, that looks pretty good. All right. Now, we're going to put soy sauce in, but we're going to add a little cornstarch to this, about 1 teaspoon. Mix it up a little. Okay, we'll put that in there. Now that was about 2 ounces of soy with 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. And we'll give it a good stir. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Looks really nice. Smells great. Wow. Bet you that's going to be tasty. Okay, let's cover that for about a minute. Let everything get nice and hot. Okay, it's been about a minute. Everything looks really good. Okay. Now all we have to do is plate that up. Yeah, we can't wait to get into that. Boy, does that smell good. Well, there you have it, guys. A delicious, quick and easy ground beef and vegetable stir fry with noodles. Boy, does that look good. Smells good too. Yeah, we just got to have a little taste. Let's try a little bit of the ground meat. Okay, that's delicious. Look at these water chestnuts. Boy, they're good looking. And the squash. Yellow squash. Oh yeah, you can't beat this. And the snap peas. Boy, are they good. Oh yeah. I gotta get another little taste back here. Oh, that's delicious. You got carrots and everything in there. Boy, is that tasty. That's a nice vegetable blend there for stir fry. Yep. You got broccoli. Man, okay. Yeah, that was like 2 ounces of soy sauce in there with a little bit of cornstarch, like a teaspoon mixed in. That thickened it up a little bit, made it nice. Boy, is that tasty. You're gonna love this one. Yep. You know what goes good with that? You got it. A nice wobble pop. Mmm. Good.